It's Samuel Pearson. I'm a final year student studying filmmaking at the Northern Film School. Becky Be Bold was an ad we shot. I was directing and producing, and that was a pretty big moment for me because I've never directed anything of that scale. So 20 people on a set, especially learning filmmakers such as myself, it was quite a challenge. But from a leadership perspective, I think this definitely was a big developer for me. And it also helped me understand what part of the industry I wanted to go into. The best speaker so far we've had was the lighting technician from House of Dragon. There's something about having someone from that high up in the industry come in and teach you that makes you feel a lot closer to the industry you're actually going to go into. One of the defining moments for me was when I actually saw the building and the studios for the first time. The studios are massive, and not to mention the industry standard kit the university lets their students use. We're very privileged to have what we do here. I think that was a pivotal moment for me because it's turned me into the filmmaker I am today.